Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. Day 4 of a ride to the mountains, and we are at Hanumangarh. This is the western part of Rajasthan, very close to the Punjab border. So the Punjab border is just a few kilometers away from here, and then we head to Amritsar. That was the earlier plan, but since it got late last evening, we stayed over here at this beautiful property in Rathangarh, Rajasthan. This is the old Haveli or palace, what you call, right in the back side of me, and it's about 25-year-old property. Before that it was palace converted to a hotel, and this is the only good property in coming this side of Rajasthan. So do come over and stay. Very hot day, sweating at 7:45 in the morning itself. So today is a relatively quiet day. We are heading to Amritsar and doing some sightseeing today, and not too much of travel too. So stay tuned and check out the property before we leave from here. So this is Rajveer Palace for you. The Haveli Palace Hotel. Beautiful property in the northwestern part of Rajasthan. So we're off from here now. Heading to Amritsar today. Big property. They have a huge lawn for events and weddings. A lot of people come to get married, apparently. So this is also one of the destination wedding places. So here we come back on the road. Day on the road. Tuesday was day 1, Wednesday day 2, Thursday day 3, and today is Friday morning, and the time right now it is 9:45 in the morning. There are big properties here in Rajasthan. So we're going to go along the border, Indo-Pak border. So that's part of Punjab. Punjab is a very green state compared to Rajasthan. You can already see the greenery increasing. Lot of agriculture. A state driven by agriculture and farmers is Punjab. very passionate people. They were badly affected by the partition. A lot of people had to stay back in Pakistan, and a lot of people shifted to India. A lot of people shifted from India to Pakistan. A lot of things happened. You would have seen a lot of movies about partition. Well, so today is all about in the Indo-Pak area. So I'm going to be talking a bit about the India and Pakistan partition as well in the border area. So here we come, Punjab. Balle balle. Punjabis are known for their music and dance and the culture. Vibrant Punjab. Samir Sen, thank you Samir. The Punjab. Well, the green and serene Punjab. This is the agriculture capital of India. You can see agriculture every small inch of the state. Oh, but the weather is hot. I'm a bit tired today for some reason. Riding, been on the road for 4 days. We are in Fazilka, which is the last town in India, which is in the border of Punjab. Patrolling the border. Are the ones managing our Indian border across the northern frontier part of India. And of course in south we have the Navy, which patrols the waters. Sulemanki border. And there's a war memorial also. For 12 kilometers from here, everything. And a beautiful Punjab with a lot of paddy and wheat, and of course sugarcane. Greenery everywhere. Wow, check that out. Absolutely beautiful. Paddy fields. So this is the second line of defense after the first line. So this is the wall which protects our India. So they are heading towards the Bangladesh borders. other side is all Sindh province. Earlier it was part of Punjab itself. And there it is, the end of India. We can't, and you can see the fence line. That is Pakistan, other side. You can see India. Sadki. The Indian flag flying high. So nice to see. The border areas are very patriotic about the country. This is at Jalalabad. Earlier it was part of Pakistan, I think. So this is the other border of Indo-Pak. Well, so this is the Husseinwala border, and that side is Pakistan, and they have a war memorial museum here, which has memories of all the people who gave up their life for the sake of the nation. नहीं हम इधर ही होंगे ನೀವು ಓಟ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ to Pakistan was from here. क्या है आपका नाम बोल दो?
मुख्तियार सिंह नाम है हमारा, हुसैनी वाला बॉर्डर पर।
हुसैन वाला बॉर्डर?
हाँ जी।
किधर रहते हैं आप?
हमारे इधर ही रहते हैं, ये गांव में।
अच्छा, फायरिंग होता है क्या इधर?
फायरिंग कभी कभी होता है।
So if you're not following me on social media, do follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. Also my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. So beautifully done memorial. So they have done a memorial for Bhagat Singh, and that is the border, Indo-Pak. Amritsar and freshened up, and this is our room for tonight. Me and Sandeep are staying here. This is the Regent. The Regent one in resorts. That's the one. It's a very nice property here in the heart of Amritsar city, and it's just about 1.5 kilometers from the Golden Temple. That's where we're headed to right now. Check this out. So, in the meantime, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates for my videos. So